Workplace accident, police interview.
The police are interviewing a witness to an accident that occurred at the school earlier that day. The interview is being carried out in the afternoon. Hello, I just wanted to ask you a few questions about the accident at school this morning where the gardener was badly burnt. Were you at school this morning?
Yuwa, cold na nyinaranda. Ngayulu na clean na war karinkula.
Well, we've heard that the gardener burnt himself with petrol and we heard that you were there at the time. Can you tell me what you saw at school this morning?
Ngayulu na clean imranda house taralu cement pa preschool ta ngamota. Nanguna lukat na tina palu na lo loan maanga petrol pa tutrianta loan maanga nangka petrol pa kutubitara tutiranta palu na ko trasses panka.
What happened then, after he filled the lawnmower?
Palu na lo secret patililu matches taralu tilli alpi maugero pungo panna koto nara petrol pa panna ngarianta palu na lo mawarni ngunangka taran waro ngayulu na nguloringu na kulalpi.
Yes, that was very stupid. Is that how his clothes caught on fire?
Yuwa waro tina pannang long ngadyak kamparawanan palu na ko clothes koto tawoji koto palu na lango tawoji clothes pa pinmina lo para kamparanta.
Was he trying to put the fire out himself?
Yuwa palu na lon ko maratara lo puto waro tina tuturanta pato palu na lango pun kanuta panna koto miraranta palu na ko mangkata do kamparanta.
Yes, he was burnt badly and the nurse at the health centre sent him to Perth Hospital. Tell me, were you able to help him when his clothes were on fire?
Tayolo na kukuran palu na lago do house pa na kanyanta kanalo kapin ka para kurpin no waro tina mungadon.
Well, he was lucky that you were there to help him with that hose. He could easily have died. So I think you saved his life.
Yuwa, palunaku, tauchi shirt patito kamparanta, punkanu pananka ngareananka.
Okay, thank you for telling me that story. You can go now.